How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a radio from Jeff. This is a AM radio only. It's a PERCOR model 610 AM radio. It's 5 transistor, very, very basic radio. Good shape, about a 1965 vintage. You got it for $15, and he had it recapped. So it's perfect working condition, but it's just a simple 5 transistor radio. Let's see what we can get with it. Over here we have on-off volume, carrying strap, plastic. I'll be darned, it doesn't have an earphone jack. Now that's a first. It is very, very basic, but it's solid state. Okay, uses 9-volt battery. Go to the bottom of the band. Right in there, very tiny, you can see the tuning dial. So we're at 540. And we'll turn the sound on. Gotta be careful I don't turn it up too high. And it likes to be this way, of course. Not quite tuned in. Ooh, there it is. There it is. Sorry about that. Whoa, is that tinny? This is strictly a collector's radio. Wow. This is as simple as they get. Which way am I turning it? Okay, that's up. So up is up. Whoa.
For the grand prize,
Is that tinny?
you're also in the running to get some tickets.
That's it? Oh no, I went the wrong way. Dadgummit. Down is up. Whoa. Oh. Is that harsh? Interference? Oh, God. This has got to be about the worst radio I've ever played with. Sorry, Jeff.
Whoa. To our baseball team without, you can't forget where you came from.
That must be 970, yeah. Or 820.
And that being said, if you defect, I ever reached the
Yeah, that's the best I can tune it in. Keep turning it the wrong way.
More so than YouTube and Instagram.
Boy, that is bad. This has got to be the worst.
No, it's just, Anderson Family Show. Oh, I have all these funny videos.
Wow. Whoa. Sorry about that. That's it. Yep, that's top of the band. Whoa. Man, I wonder how much this thing costs when it was new. It's from Taiwan. Doesn't even have an earphone jack. That's unbelievable. PERCOR. I've reviewed other PERCOR radios that Jeff owns, and they were okay. But this one is really cheap. Let me turn it off. There, it's off. And let me see if I can easily get it opened up and see what kind of electronics we got. Hold on. There we go. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's not much inside, is there? Wow. That is pretty basic. Little tiny antenna. Oh my gosh. But like I say, I've had other radios of Jeff has loaned me that were about this size, and they did pretty good. Not this one. Not too good. Oh well. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.